When money isn't a limitation, even the wildest ideas can become reality. You just need the right people to build them. For RV lovers who want something truly next level, there's a German company called ATventure that's doing exactly that. Adventure actually comes from a company that specializes in rock drilling and heavy machinery, which explains the serious engineering behind these motorhomes. The founder, Andreas Tigges, turned his passion for travel into something extraordinary by combining it with his technical expertise. The result is a lineup of RVs that feel more like luxury homes on wheels than traditional campers. Right now, Adventure offers 3 different models, each with multiple layouts that can be customized to suit the owner's preferences. But the real star of the show is the largest one, the ATventure 1070. This massive motorhome sits on a heavy-duty truck platform and stands out with features you almost never see in Europe, like a large slide-out section and, even more impressively, a rooftop terrace. Yes, an actual terrace on top of your RV. While slide-outs are pretty common in North America, they're still a rare sight in Europe, which makes this model even more unique. Adventure describes the 1070 as offering superior comfort and turning every journey into a luxury experience. And honestly, that doesn't sound like an exaggeration. The model measures about 35 feet long and nearly 13 feet tall, making it a serious presence on the road. Inside, it's designed to comfortably seat and sleep 4 people. The layout separates the driving cabin from the main living area, which is finished in a rich rustic style with wood and leather accents that give it a warm but upscale feel. As you step inside, you're greeted by a combined dining and lounge area. There's a large L-shaped sofa, an adjustable table, and even a comfortable recliner facing the TV. The slide-out creates a surprisingly spacious interior, making it feel more like a small apartment than an RV. The kitchen sits along one side and is fully equipped, though it's cleverly designed so most appliances are hidden. You get a large sink, an induction cooktop, a dishwasher, and even a microwave with an air fryer function. Storage is everywhere, with solid wood cabinetry and soft close features throughout. Moving further in, you'll find what ATventure calls the wellness area, which is basically a high-end bathroom setup. It's bigger than what you'd expect in most RVs and includes a full wardrobe, washer and dryer, and plenty of storage. There's a separate toilet room and a large glass shower with a rain shower head and stylish finishes that feel more like a luxury hotel than a camper. At the back, the bedroom features a double bed positioned in a corner layout, along with overhead storage and a dresser. It's cozy but still refined. From here, you can access the rooftop terrace using a set of floating steps. Up top, there's another seating area with plenty of space to relax or entertain. With around 20 square meters to work with, it's basically a private rooftop lounge on wheels. Underneath all of this is a huge garage area that's big enough to fit a small car and bikes, along with extra storage. The whole vehicle is built for year-round use, so even the garage space could be adapted if needed. When it comes to power and tech, this RV is fully loaded. It includes solar panels, large battery storage, and a powerful inverter along with a backup generator. You also get features like underfloor heating, air conditioning, a premium sound system, smart TVs, and a central control system that you can manage through an app. Water capacity is just as impressive, with large tanks that make extended off-grid living possible. And while most aspects can be customized, the layout itself stays fixed. Now, let's talk price. A brand new Adventure 1070 starts at around 850,000 euros, which is just over $1 million. But there's currently a demo unit available for about 700,000 euros. Not exactly cheap, but in this world, even millionaires appreciate a good deal.